Here's how you can make fried kulfi. Kulfi is basically like ice cream and it's a very popular frozen dessert in Pakistan. You know, it's my cheat day. Okay, this actually kind of works. I don't know, every time I heard of fried ice cream, I just thought it's just fried dough around ice cream and it's gonna fall apart. After I read up on what fried ice cream could be, this is actually a mix of cornflakes, which is nice because you can't hate on cornflakes. It's not just some bland piece of dough. So I just made a classic kulfi, whole milk, heavy cream, milk solids, and sweetened condensed milk. I reduced that down until the consistency was kind of thick, and then I froze that for about 5 hours, not until it was completely solid, because in a separate container I'm going to crush up some cornflakes and I'm going to squish the cornflakes all over the kulfi, and then I'll dip this into a mixture of egg and milk and then back into the cornflakes for a double coat, and then I'm going to fry this at 350 for about 10 seconds. I'm surprised it didn't just melt, and it's not just one solid piece of dough, it's actually stuck onto the kulfi, which is nice. And I've also been talking this whole time explaining how to make the kulfi that it is melting, but it's good.